Welcome to our channel. If you're a loyal customer wanting to claim free trial extensions or additional promotional periods, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Check your email regularly for messages from services you currently use or have used in the past. Companies often reward loyal customers with extended trial periods or promotional credits. Step 2. Log into your account on the service's website or app. Look for notifications, banners, or special offers in your account dashboard that mention trial extensions or bonus periods. Step 3. Review your subscription history to see if you qualify for loyalty rewards. Many services offer extended trials to customers who have been subscribed for a certain period. Step 4. Contact customer support if you don't see any extension offers. Politely mention your loyalty as a customer and ask if there are any promotional extensions available for your account. Step 5. If an extension offer is available, click on it to view the details including the length of the extension and any conditions that apply. Step 6. Activate the extension by clicking Claim Offer or following the provided instructions. The additional trial time should be applied to your account immediately. Step 7. Verify that the extension has been successfully applied by checking your subscription status and new renewal date in your account settings. Step 8. Make the most of your extended trial period to fully explore features you may not have had time to use during your initial trial. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.